Hey guys, we've got a short week this week. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Early happy Thanksgiving. So just instead of, doing a video after the fact, let me just go ahead and do a video before the fact. Let me just give you guys the plan for tomorrow ahead of time. So if you're in my Discord, you get this every night, the night before, unless I pass out or something, but 95% of the time you're getting it the night before. And this is our game plan. So hopefully this will help out everybody else who's not in my Discord or who's not in my mentorship. Hopefully this helps you guys out as well. And I hope you guys have a great trading day tomorrow. So 11,600, we're looking for price to come down here and stall first. Always look to play the stall first and then come back up. All right. If price breaks and holds, look to play the breakout to the downside. All right. And that would be this right here. All right. So, many ways, the number one question is, well, when do you play the stall? When do you play the break? There's a lot of different ways to do it. There's no right or wrong way. Whether you're using an indicator to help you with your emotions, again, for those of you who don't know, I have my indicators that I give to my mentees, to my students to help them. I teach, if you paid for my education, I teach you how to read volume. Volume is key. It's the only leading indicator out there. Everything else will lag on you, but volume is leading, so volume can help you see, are the sellers tired? Are the buyers coming in? All of that. So if you don't have that, right, you can just use a 5-minute candle. Do we have a full 5-minute candle that closes underneath here? Then there's a higher possibility that price is going to be heading lower, right? Because that's all this game is, right? It is a game of probabilities. Do we have a bunch of wicks? A bunch of wicks where the bears are just trying to push it lower, and you can see that fight, then most likely it's heading higher, right? And those wicks are telling you that price is stalling. So keep playing the stall. Just keep playing the stall until you can just really look at this chart and be like, yeah, this price is underneath this level now. All right. And for the other side, we got 11,840. We're going to stall up here. So we play this stall play first. Look to go short here. All right. If price gets above here, then we're looking for this. Okay. We came right here on Friday and head down. We came super close to this area. We're like 10 points away from it and then creep back up. So we're in the same range that we were in on Friday. Back again. So I hope, put in the comments questions that you have. I'll do my best to answer them. Those of you that know my students or, have been a part of my mentorship, you know how accurate these plans have been and how well they help out a bunch. So hopefully they help everybody else out as well. Just let me know what questions or comments you have, and I'll definitely do my best to answer them. But I wish everybody a really happy trading day tomorrow. And if I don't post again for the week, I wish everybody happy Thanksgiving. Have a great day, guys. Have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.